Hey, what's up, y'all, and welcome back to Hair Problems and No Edges. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'll be showing you how I style my 4B, 4C natural curls just using one product only, the Got2BGlue gel. So if you are feeling this hairstyle and this is something that you might want to try out on yourself, then you've come to the right place. Just keep on watching this video. I was recording the back portion of my hair, so I got the front waved, and this is what the front is currently looking like. And it is still wet. Got my curls popping. This is what the back is looking like. Okay, and as you can see, it's not finger waves. It's more of a defined 4C, 4B hair texture curl. So that's the look I was kind of going for, not really a defined finger wave. So to get the lift at the top of my head while my hair is still wet, I'm gonna go in with the blow dryer, and I'm just going to like lift the hair right up here, and then I'll put the blow dryer on it. I'll hold it for a few minutes and let go. Just want to lift in the areas that you want height at the top of your hair. You do not want to pull the hair or pull it all the way out because you don't want to lose the curl pattern. As you can see, the hair is already standing up. You want to keep doing this until you get the desired height that you're looking for. All right, y'all. I took a little break. I ran to the beauty supply store, and I got a pack of these 3-piece eyebrow razors. They're there, right there, and they were only $2.49. And I'm going to use this to line up the back of my nape. Let me turn around. I would be using clippers, but my clippers are really dull. They need to be sharpened. I don't know how to do it, so I have to get my brother over here so he can line that up for me, or so he can sharpen the clippers for me. But as of right now, I'm going to use this eyebrow arch to clean up my nape. Because look at this neck. Girl, look at this neck. My neck is out of control. I can't say my hairstyle is cute without my hair being lined up. You want to be careful with this eyebrow arch because you can cut yourself if you be too abrasive with it. I think I nicked myself on this side. Yep, I did right there. So I said this brand new arch will cut you, even though it has a guard on it. We're going to get our alcohol. And this is the 91% isopropyl alcohol. I'm just take a cotton ball, really saturate it, and it's gonna burn. But you gotta clean your nape because you don't want them bumps. Ooh, yep, it's hot. Ow, it burns really bad. But you gotta do this. My neck is on fire, trust and believe. I mean, you can go in with some witch hazel. You can use all right, guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. This was just me defining my curls with the Got2BGlue gel. And I just did a nice little light lineup on my nape. And then I lifted the top while it was still about 70% wet with my pick, and I blow dried it just to add more height at the top of this hairstyle. So guys, let me know, because I didn't get to capture the waving of the back of my head. If you guys would like to see that, please drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know that you want me to create a second video creating this same look, but adding the back and the way I wave the back into the second video. So if that's something you guys want to see, please drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel for more DIYs, for more hair growth tips and regimens and routines to regrow back our alopecia edges, and for new hairstyles that I come up with that is going to make us feel confident and beautiful so we can go out in public without our wigs and things on our head. Again, I will see you in my next video, and subscribe to this channel.